Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria with a cup of morning coffee. And today I just want to do a jade plant and a succulent miniature or fairy garden. So let us see how this will turn. I have a jade plant which is grown very widely. I just want to give it a shape and just start it. So for this I have taken a binding wire and I would just want to give the shape using the binding wire. So I have just tied this with another binding wire and I'm just giving a curve shape for this in this way. So jade plant is very hardy plant. Once it is grown, it will really give you n number of cuttings. Like you can grow the jade plant with cuttings itself. You have seen like I have created previously a simple miniatures with this jade plant itself. This is the mother plant, I can tell, or this is this is the mother plant. So I have given the shape for this, and this way it looks like this. Yeah. I'm just tying all the small branches whatever have come. I'm just giving a support and I'm just making it I'm just giving the shape and making it. And now I have just cleared the base of this, and now I just get the succulents which I have shown in the previous video. So I'll just grab a few and I'll see which one will suit at what place and plant them. So I have taken these. And yeah, let me arrange first and see which will suit the best in which in the places. So yeah, let's start. Actually I have a rock. Before planting those, I thought I'll just place this rock over here. This is the one which I have grabbed from my nearby aquarium shop, which he gave for 60 rupees kilo. And now I just want to see again how to place the plants, just checking down. So start with this. So my son was saying this will be here, this succulent will be very good over here, so I just planted this over here. I think it's really beautiful. And the best part of succulents is it doesn't require much maintenance. Actually the less attention we pay to it, the best they grow it. So I'm just loosening up my soil and just checking out what to place, and I have taken this variety. Yeah, I'm not taking the whole bunch, I'm just taking 3 or 4 plants from that and I'm just planting over here. And I think you're not able to see this, sorry for this. Yeah, and I have taken another variety and I'm planting at the back of the rock or a little bit back. I'm just taking 3 varieties and just planting them. So I was saying about the less attention you pay to the succulents, the more they grow. And but the thing is, you have to give this succulents like you have to place this in the very sunny part. It's not an indoor part, please do remember that. So it requires at least 6 hours, but even 3 hours of sunlight will do very good, either morning sunlight or evening sunlight. And these require very less water, so no need to give them a lot of water. You have to water them only once the topsoil is dried. So I have placed one more near this side of this jade plant. So this is how it looks. And make the soil, level the soil, everything, level it. Sorry, I couldn't capture this properly. And now I have a few dolls or say Tinkerbells, and I have this cup where I want to place some water in this area. So I have just made a hole and just placed this cup which I got for gems, and then I have placed some green pebbles and I have granules which I got it from my aquarium shop. So I just placed them over there, so to give a different look. And once this is done, I have leveled it, and now I'm placing this Tinkerbell first I thought, okay, let me place this cranes which I have them around the pond in this way. This looks good, like, and the one Tinkerbell over here, and the other one, oh, the fairy, the wings of the fairy has gone down. Okay, it's okay. Now coming to the cleaning part, we've had to take a very soft brush and clean this, not with by dusting it hard, because the leaves will be very, very delicate. And don't throw the leaves, whatever you the leaves are, if at all the leaves are broken, because we can propagate them. And now coming to the watering point, you need to take a syringe, don't water them from the top. You need to water them very carefully, just with the syringe at the base of the plant. Okay, and only water them once they are dried. This is how we need to water them. For the succulents, you need to have a syringe. Just fill the syringe and water the plants. Even for Jade, this is enough, because Jade also doesn't require much water. And if at all you give it less water and place them in good sunlight, your plants will grow very beautifully. And now fill this pond with water and just water the rock so that it has a clean look. And finally this looks like this. I hope you people like this, and if at all you like this, please give a thumbs up and give comment so that I can make many more. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Bye bye, take care.